So welcome to the Car Garage. Editor of Car Magazine, Damien. I don't think many people know that this is what the inside of Car Garage looks like. Flickering light in the background over there. But there's always cars and there's always content to be shot, to be written about happening here. We've got a kind of a sparse garage today because there's a lot of cars on the road. But Damien, you and I are going to be chatting weekly about what is happening and what cars are inside the Car Garage.
We're very lucky to get cars soon after they launch. Most of them standing here now are long-termers, and I'm very keen to share what comes through this garage door in the next couple of weeks.
There's been some special things happening in this garage. There's rumors of a Jeep Gladiator, the first of its kind, in Cars Stable at the moment. Watch this space, like, subscribe, and join us weekly as we look at what's hot inside Cars Garage. Just a quick look behind us here. There's a Lexus, there's a Kia Sorento that's a long-termer. The other side is the Isuzu MU-X.
Yep.
And there's some interesting cars like this, a 1600 Corolla. This is a legendary vehicle. I remember when this first came out, going away from the box shape to this, thinking classic.
Yeah, now this thing will last forever, just keeping the battery alive, because if you're testing cars regularly, sometimes the Corolla has to stand.
12 or 16 valve?
This is a 16 valve.
16 valve. Back in the day, it had the longest title, not this one, but this range. The GLI twin cam, 16 valve. It was like, wow, it was a mouthful. What is a mouthful is the fact that every single week we'll have the hottest cars on the earth. And in actual fact, some of the not so hottest cars. We test them all.
Test them all, yes.
You like, you subscribe, and we'll catch you soon in the Car Garage.